call for a walk-in freezer down at a diner. Well, let's get over there and we'll take a look at it. I'll bring you guys along and we'll see what's happening. Refrigerator, then freezer. Ooh, we don't got fans or nothing running. Alright, I'm gonna go up on the roof and show you guys this. This used to be a Lions restaurant, which was a chain out here. And it's been so hackered up here now. None of this work up here is mine, just so you know. I just got this account. You gotta see this. I gotta show you guys this. Are you ready for it? Oh yeah, door broken, comes down hard on your head. Here we go. Graveyard starts right there. And it only gets worse. See if we can put this panel back on for him. Back on. And then I come around here. Now, there used to be a rack. Some of these are in play. See, it's a typical restaurant reefer rack. And then there is this. Someone put all this in right here. It's in freeze mode, so I got a leg. It's 120 right there coming up. And then between these two we should have 0, and then we're going to go straight to the coil contactor. The coil on the contactor. There it is, 0. Yeah, 0. Between those two. So, let's see. We got voltage on our contactor coil. Maybe we got a bad contactor. That's our coil. We got 208 volts. I think the contactor's bad. It's not pulled in. We'll pull the cover off and see what it looks like underneath the cover right here. Alright, there she is. She's not pulled in. Okay, we got a bad contactor, so let's find the breaker for this one. Let's see. Gonna be good, ladies and gentlemen. There's my 3 fuses right here for the walk-in freezer. So I could kill power here, just do the fuses, or just go ahead and turn the whole rack off while I make my repair. And that's not going to hurt anything. Check and make sure the power's off. Then we'll go down to the truck and get a contactor. And I'll just come up here and I'll check across the top. Make sure each leg to ground is toast. We'll change it out and then we'll run some checks. See what happens. I know a lot of you guys like this drawer unit I got, the long drawer unit. It's made by Joe Box. And I bought it. I found it. I think you can get it cheapest. The price I've seen is at Zorro Tools. Maybe I can get some stuff on there. It's really nice. It's not cheap though. I think that was at least $800. But it's worth it. It makes room. I found a flat unit too that has 3 drawers. It's flat. And I'm thinking about putting that, and it'll fit right in here where I could access it from the back of the van, and then I could get rid of my toolbox. And then it would just be flat right here with 3 more drawers, and I'd be able to get most of this material, a lot of this material, and all my tools in there. I'm thinking about it still. All right. So we got our contactor. It's the Packard stock number C340C, 3 poles, 40 amps, 208 240 coil. Let's get back up there and see how this goes. Chwing! So that's where I'm at. So take the bolts out of this, you can turn it, make it easier to work on. You can get it aiming you. This one has a Tinnerman nut holding on the contactor right there, so you have to get it from behind on this contactor. Let's see how it goes. Contactor out, you can ohm it out, and we got open line. So it's verifying our coils failed on our contactor. Contactor changed out. Now I can get this back in place and get my nuts and bolts back on the feet. See how I took that off there to make it easier to work on? Then I guess go get in the wetsuit and go surf, huh? No. We want to check the whole system out for this guy while we're out here. We're going to check the defrost heaters, check the charge, check the pump down, make sure it all works, all that fun stuff. Then we can go get on the surfboard. Got my gauge going. It's not labeled what refrigerant, so what refrigerant are we running? So what I did is I went to the Copeland app. I'll put a screenshot up, enter the model number, and it'll tell you what it runs for, and I'll show you the screenshot on here. .4A compressor. Let's hope they got 404A in it. And let's go, we'll go turn this back on here. Just so you guys know, my crescent wrench that I am turning this on with, it is a fiberglass handled wrench. So it does have protection there. It's not a metal wrench. When you're doing things like this, if you want to be safe about it, just a heads up there. Alright, so we just fired back up. 7.9 amps, we're just getting started. I haven't checked my sight glass yet. I don't know if the evap fans are running right now or not. We'll go take a look. If they are running, that's like spot on for 404A, minus 20 evaporator. Reading the orange line here. That's about a minus 20 evap, which would be dead nuts. We'll go downstairs and see if the fans are running. Oh my God, look, more compressors. This is a freaking refrigeration nightmare. Look, this one's an anchor for the tarp. This one's tarp anchor. You know, NorCal Dave's OCD sees this, and I'm about ready to pass out. Alright, got a clear sight glass. I got a minus 20 evaporator. Condenser coil does, actually, it's not bad. Alright, evap fans are running. We're dropping way down. This is our coil. Our defrost circuit, 8.7 total amps for defrost. So, we checked our evaporator coil nameplate. We know when it's in defrost, we should be pulling about 8 amps. So the little shortcut to check all your defrost heaters is, let's put it in defrost, see if it'll go in the defrost. We should be somewhere as close to that, and there we are. 7.3, that's not like super low or super high. So that's telling me the defrost heaters are good. And at the same time, we can check our pump down where it shuts off the pump down. All at the same time. Is our unit still running? That pressure switch is going to have to be adjusted. That's too low. See that? That's way too low. So this thing's running into a vacuum when it's pumping down. Yeah, it went way into a vacuum. These are the things that you have to check. That's no good. These are the things you have to check before you split. Let's see where our cut-in's at. Cut in right there, that's not bad. Now we'll check our, let's put it back in defrost and we'll check our cutout again. Just showing you guys a quick little shortcut here. Okay, we're back in defrost. Let's see where it pumps down to this time. What I'm adjusting here is the differential. Right, 0. Let's go turbo more. All the little things you got to check. And come out of defrost right there. Bam. That's close enough to the time of day. Let me get the product freezing. Crows versus seagulls right now. The battle is on. All right, so wrapping this up. With a bad contactor, pressure switch was out of adjustment, everything else looks okay. This roof is an absolute nightmare. You young guys that are in the trade, please clean up the stuff you work on. There's companies I worked at before where if you left messes behind, it was a disciplinary action would be taken against you. I'm not like super complaining about it, but be professional and get your stuff off the roof. Keep the roofs clean. That's going to make you level up. I don't know if it'll make you a super tech, but it'll get you respect in the trade. Surprised the old thermometer still works. Pretty damn close. She's coming on down. Coming down the mountain. Bohemians, those are really good. Really